Hey guys, Chris at Systainer Systems. Today let's talk a little bit about inlays and inserts. There are many different ways you can customize the inside of the Systainer to hold whatever it is that you're trying to transport safely and efficiently. We have them for all the different footprints, so we have the S Systainer, the M, the L, and the XXL. First type of inlay I would like to talk about, we call this a pick and pluck. What this is, it's a pre-scored, somewhat hard foam, and so you can just pick these out to the shape that you need or cut it even in irregular shapes if need be. So very useful, very quick and fast to get it customized. This next one here, this is a softer one. So where this might come into play is if you are using the pick and pluck, and let's say we've cut a shape out, we might want to have a little extra cushion underneath. So we could actually use this underneath the other one, or we could even use this as a standalone. Similarly, we also have a medium density foam. This could also be cut directly into, or it could be used underneath to provide a little bit firmer support. And we also have what we call an EPP. It's a hard, dense foam. This one, as you can see from the profile here, this is actually designed to go in the lid. And so, for example, if I have what we call the universal insert inside of a Systainer, and I want to make sure because of the cavity in the lid itself, I can put one of these in the lid so that when the lid is closed, it keeps this nice and tight, and therefore nothing can shift around or move. While we're on universal inserts, we have two different kinds. So we have one for the M footprint Systainer, we have one for the L, and we also have one for the S footprint Systainer. So this is a hard plastic insert, and as you can see here, there's a lot of different cubbies to put things in. So these can be a very quick, efficient way to organize the inside of a Systainer. We also have several other somewhat universal plastic inserts. So this one here, this is designed for a cordless drill, battery charger, etc. So you can put your drill on one side, accessories on the other. We also have one that is designed for angle grinders, so you can put your angle grinder in here, put your discs over here, cord wraps up and goes in here if it's not cordless. And then this one here is also pretty interesting. This can be used for 5-inch abrasives. It can also be used for rectangular abrasives or triangular abrasives. So a lot of purposes, keeps your abrasives organized and sorted. A couple others that are interesting, these we call lid inserts. So this we call the office lid organizer. So you can keep a notepad in here, pencils and different things, calculator, whatever you might have that you want to keep with you on the job. And then we also have what we call our tool lid Systainer. So this is designed to go in the lid of an L Systainer, and you can keep screwdrivers, pliers, all your different hand tools in the lid of the box. Again, just taking advantage of space that otherwise is not normally used. A couple more, these are also EPP, so very hard, dense foam. This is for a standard caulk tube or cartridge. It fits standard style like that. Usually we put this in the 437, so the tall Systainer, just to give you enough height to close the lid. Similarly, we also have one for standard aerosol cans, so a can of WD-40 or spray paint. They will also fit into here quite nicely. We also have all the same inserts for our big XXL box. This is actually an egg crate style foam, so again, if you have something that is maybe protruding a little bit, this will apply some small amount of pressure just to keep it held securely. We also have the rigid pick and pluck for the XXL Systainer, the soft foam as well. And then one that we have for the XXL, which we don't have for the others, is we have this one that sits in the bottom and you can strap larger items like a chainsaw, for example, is a good situation to use this in, or other bulky big items that you want to keep strapped down while in transit.